Shout out mga kalingap. Ayan po. Oh, ganda po ng lugar dito. Opo. Ayan. Uy, wow, Jomar. Oo. Uy, andito mga guwapings. Oo. Ayan po, ano? Natsimpuhan natin. Pali, natsimpuhan natin si Joms. Ayan po.
Si Lolo, may flower din.
Thank you. Ay, kuya, anong ano to? Resort?
Natura Verde po.
Ayan. Saan?
Oo po, yung birthday niya
Nagustuhan dito kaya bumalik.
Opo.
Ay, galya. Si Jomar pa rin pala. Noon nakaraan. Ngayon naman, ulit siya ngayon. Ay, galing.
Carla naman ngayon.
Tayo magnanay? Di ba ganun nawawala mong anak? Ay, para kayo magkita. Long lost. Nawawala akong anak niya sa Papa Jones.
Salamat po.
Ate. Kuya Brooks. Ano tayo? Ano lang?
Yes po.
Yan. Ano wish mo kaya habang tayo naglalakad? Wish mo kay baby Carla
Ayun,
natin.
happy birthday po kay Carla. Tapos syempre, tawag yan. Yun, basta, ingat na lang.
Basta, happy birthday. Ingat na lang. Yun.
Love you.
Thank you, Jomar. Ay, salamat.
Ano?
Oo. Thank you, Jomar. Thank you. Mo ambon ma.
Welcome to the arrival of Mr. Bal Santos.
Ito, souvenir po Kuya Bal.
Yan po si Kuya Bal. Shout out Kuya Bal.
Shout out.
Picture taking, pagkwentuhan, kumain. Once dumating na po yung hinihintay sa namin, of course, Carla po preparing pa din. We will
Saan ako yan? Dyan.
Ano po, so I hope okay lang naman po sa lahat. Okay lang naman po. Yan po. Salamat po sa pangunawa and please do enjoy the celebration. Mamaya po sasaya po tayong lahat. Thank you po. Marami pong pagkain and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.
Carla, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ang mga beautiful.
Hello, Kuya Brooks.
Hello.
Ay, Max. Kuya Brooks.
Ay, wow, ganda. Thank you. Paborito ko. Nakarating din. Salamat po. Shout out po sa mga team. Wow. Ulit. Shout out po sa mga team. Yes, thank you. Wow. Thank you so much. Bigay po nila. Ne, pakilagay mo nga dyan sa loob. Mayroong bagong...
Ay, grabe, may balaw.
Ne, kunin mo yung matamis chocolate. Akin ang sombrero. Bigyan mo yan, Ay, makulit. Ay, grabe, imported. Ay. Uy, dalawa. Ay. Ayan po. Kita na ebidensya. Suot ko na. Ayan po. Thank you po. Ngayon lang ako nakasuot ng ganito sa totoo lang.
Ma'am Marlio.
Kaya sobrang appreciate ko po ito. Salamat. Ay, meron po sa pakininda tayo. Ang cute naman eh.
Kuya Brooks, dadanda ko. Ano naman ang picture? Sige.
Ano tayo? Anong flavor? Order tayo. Kasama ko ng lilitsyon natin. Rhea, Larte. Halika dito.
Thank you po.
Ay, ito pala sarili.
Ayoko dito, English dito eh.
Meron ba isang gwapong sa dumating? Oh, may gwapong pa. Ako po.
Hindi po, tita, thank you. Ay, di po pala.
Anong wish mo kay Carla? Birthday niya ngayon?
Carla, happy birthday. Ang gusto ko ng wish kasi hindi lang sa kanya sa kanilang dalawa ni Kalingap Jomar.
Oh.
Sana mas tumatag pa yung relasyon nyo and mas tumagal pa. Alam ko, match na match kayong dalawa. Kung wala yung isa, parang kulang. Kaya dapat mas matatag and magmahalan lang kayo. And
Wow,
happy birthday, Carla.
galing. Thank you sa iyong magandang message. Ay, galaw. Sir Alvin, kunting ano lang. Anong wish mo kay birthday bilang sikat na host ng Kalingap kung saan na lang nakakarating pag may mga okasyon?
Wala ako. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung wish ko kay Carla kasi nasa kanya naman lahat. Lalo na
Wow.
suporta ng tao sa kanya.
Oh.
So, siguro, pinaka-wish ko is yung health niya.
Yung health.
Yung health na lang niya na maging hindi siya magkasakit. Okay yung ano niya, yung pangangatawan niya. And yeah, i-bless siya palagi.
Wow. Thank you sa napakagwapong host.
Thank you po. Napakagandang ganda ni Carla. Grabe nakita ko siya.
Grabe yan.
Mabait
Ganda,
siya.
wow.
Sabi ko nga, huwag kang magpapataba para
Oo,
mas-
tama.
Kasi grabe yung ano niya, transformation niya. Super ganda niya. Makikita na yun, mama.
Mabuti na-advise mo na huwag magpataba, no? Mabuti naman, no? Okay din yung, yung katawan na mamiminti niya. Oh, yan.
Sige po.
Salamat.
Happy birthday.
Talagang napakabait itong si Sir Alvin. Yan. Thank you. Hi po. Hi po. Hello. Kuya Brooks Vlog, ganito kayo. So nakikita yung kagandahan nyo. At syempre, panoorin nyo. Ayan po. Ayan po.
Pang-edit na naman yan. Daming
Wow, grabe, no? Simple lang siya, oh. Ang ganda, tahimik. Oh, wala ng ulan. Ayan. Ayan po. Sa event kung saan magbe-birthday po ang ating baby Carla.
Will celebrate a very special day. And gaya ng sinabi ko po, all of you are very, very happy dahil kayo pong lahat ay patuloy na nagmamahal at sumusuporta. Lahat gagawin para sa nag-iisang Bibi Carla nating lahat. Palakpakan po ulit. Ang tanong, masaya po ba ang lahat? Okay, everybody should be happy right now. At ng mga supporters at buong Kalingap community sa kanyang 20th birthday celebration. Masdan maigi ang pagbabago, ang napakapayat, napaka-sexy at napakagandang blooming birthday girl, Angel, Kalingap Angel, Carla. Parang gusto ko nakalahog si Jomar. Ayan na naman.
Carla, ang ganda mo!
kaibigan. Palakpakan po natin Jomar together with Carla. Diyan muna kayong dalawa kasi...
Yeah, bakit ka nahimatay? May naramdam na pagod ka ba? Or... So, Jomar, ha? Mahirap na. Kasi si Carla, may mga nararamdaman na pala. Ikaw din ba may nararamdaman?
Wala ka nang hanapin pa. Anong sabi ng ating mga viewers? Age doesn't matter. So muli pa.
Okay. Let us all sing the birthday song for Carla. DJ Josh. Wala. O, sige, kanta na tayo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yan. Okay, Carla, close your eyes and make a wish. Okay na yan, mas pabor, walang copyright. Yay! And we have another cake for you! Happy birthday! Galing din yan sa ating... Ay, from Natura Verde. Grabe, mahal na mahal ka! And to Tita Solid Carla Tupular. Ayan, yung isa nating cake. Thank you very much. Ayan, shout out kay Ma'am Vanessa, yung owner po ng Natura Verde. Ayan, nakakatuwa naman si Ma'am. Ang ating... are we good na? So, okay na ba? Diba? Nanginginig pa si Elix, diba? Pressure siya kasi first time niya po yan. Oh, ayan na. Carla, happy birthday. From Captain America from Bibirao. Yay! Palakpakan naman po natin. Okay, let us bless the food.
Ayaw?
One and only Carla. Palakpakan po.
Klap-klap, Ali, klap-klap.
Ladies and gentlemen, salubungin po natin together with Jomar! Oh my goodness! Grabe, ang transformation. Isang ganap na napakagandang dalaga. Carla, palakpakan everybody! Palakpakan naman po natin. Hi, good evening. How are you feeling tonight? Now, I would like to speak in English because we have a foreign guest right now. So, would you like to, what would you like to say to everybody? A very special guest. I'd like to invite here our guest from the US of A. Palakpakan naman po natin. We have a very, would you like to, I'm sorry, Australia. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin. I'd like to invite you. Filipinos are very hospitable, accommodating, so that's why I would like to invite you here. Sir, come here. Of course, yeah. Here, come here. Palakpakan naman natin. Sir, here, you stand. Parang na-pressure ako bigla. Oh! Second, when was the last time?
Last year.
Oh, last year. Okay. So you're from Australia here
Australia. Australia. Philippines. When?
Nearly 3 months ago.
4 months. Oh, di ba naiintindihan niya? Australia, Philippines, 4 months ago?
3.
Okay, do you know Kalingap? Do you know Kalingap?
No.
No. But why are you here? If you don't know Kalingap, why are you here? Because of your wife.
Yeah.
Yeah, you support her all the way.
Love.
What?
Love.
Wala. Okay. Because of the love.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know Carla?
Like these two.
Oh, what? Ano? Ano sabi mo? What? Again?
Love.
Love for these two. Okay. Oh. Okay. Would you like to say anything to your wife?
Having a good night, babe?
Oh, you call her Babe. Oh, okay. Her name is Carla. Do you know Carla? Of course. Siyempre. Carla, come here. Ladies and gentlemen, the biggest round of applause for Carla. 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 All the viewers are, some of the viewers are all around the globe, all around the universe. Okay, even they are foreigner, they are all support you all the way because we have here a loving friend all the way from Australia. Am I right? Okay. Is she beautiful?
Very.
Very, very beautiful. What is your wish for Carla?
Long, happy life.
Long happy life. Long happy life. Carla is the husband of your supporter.
I try my best po. Good evening, sir. Nice meeting you po. And then, thank you very much po to support to both of us. Yes, and then...
He knows how to put you on the spot.
Hoy! Oh, and then what? Again, what is your? Do you have any message to him also because he's here to support you?
I would like to thank you very much po to Tita Rosemary and to you, sir. Then,
If you have one question to ask for this girl, what is your question? You are from Australia, right? Edward, you are from Australia. No. From anong bansa mo nga? Australia. Your father is Australia. Yeah, come here. Is he handsome?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Davao.
Davao. You know Davao? His father is from Australia. Yeah. Maybe you are the father. Would you like to ask anything? What is your message to him? Because he...
Just Philippines, I know how to party.
Puding daw, nagtitinda daw ng puding. Ano gusto mong sabihin? What is your message to our guest? He's very shy. Anyways, thank you for your press. Palakpakan naman po natin. Thank you. And just a very quick icebreaker for everyone. Palakpakan naman po natin. Carla, taon-taon na lang, we are very, very happy. Very, happy for you. Kasi talagang ang daming blessings na iyong natatanggap. Natin ay meron tayong mga ibibigay pa. Pwede na po bang lumapit dito yung may mga lapit na lang po dito para at least si Ma'am Lynn, I would like to invite you po, Ma'am Lynn. Siyempre, may pa-money bouquet. Ma'am Lynn, in behalf or kung kanino man po yan, or kung sa inyo po yan, sige, ano pong gusto nyong, ako na po ba magbabasa? O sige po. Yeah. Thank you, Ma'am. donations. Ayan, maraming salamat. And also, from Marijan Kaisip TNMJ Level Up, Carla, 5,000 pesos. Maraming salamat, Carla, again. Natatakot siya.
Wow, grabe, no? Simple lang siya, oh. Ang ganda, tahimik. Oh, wala ng ulan. Ayan. Ayan po. Bye-bye. God bless po sa inyo. Thank you. Ingat po kayo.